In this tutorial, I will show you how to preview typefaces conveniently in slightly older versions of InDesign. Don't ask me about the versions, just check if it works in your version of InDesign or no. So I have text here, and pay attention, there's plenty of space over here, so if I change the typeface and this becomes bigger, it still has place to fit in here. So now I activate this box using the selection tool, and then without deselecting, I just click on the type key on the type tool, and then I will see that this text is set in Minion Pro Regular. That's the default typeface for my computer. Now if I want to change the typeface here, what I have to do is I have to click on this arrow, and it will drop down all the typefaces I have installed in my computer. What happens in newer versions of InDesign is that when I move my mouse over the names of these typefaces, the appearance of this word will change, and I will see how it looks in the typeface that my mouse is over right now. But in my version of InDesign, this doesn't work. So what I can do is that I just move my mouse over the name of some typeface, and then I press the Alt key, and it will show me how this word will look in the corresponding typeface. So if I move over the next typeface, I press the Alt key again, and it will change the appearance again. However, if I click outside, the formatting will return to the original formatting, which was Minion Pro. If I want to change it, I move my mouse over it, I look at it, I press the Alt key, and I decide I like Berlin. Then I have to click on it, and the typesetting will change. Now I have Berlin Sans instead of Minion Pro here. And finally, one more thing I want to show you is that again I have this active, I have the type tool activated, I drop down the fonts, I go to Algerian, press the Alt key, see how it looks in Algerian, I press the Alt key and look how it looks in Arial, and then without using my mouse I can press the arrow keys, and as you see I don't move my mouse, but the name of the font, it moves down to the next font, and it shows me the preview in this font. And also with the up arrow I can move up like this, and in this way I can browse through my fonts and see how this word looks in different typefaces that I have on my computer. And then if I like one of them, like agency, then I click on it and the typesetting will change to agency. So in this way you can preview your fonts in older versions of InDesign CC.